Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And to all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to kiss me. Now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos in Queens, indo for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear. Putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood. And it's still all good, And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack. Now my mom flips an act with minks on her back. And she loved to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Plain Pat, what up?
My heart thump, not from being nervous sometimes. I'm thinking God made me special here on purpose. So all the while till I'm gone, make my words important. So if I slip away, if I die today, the last thing you remember won't be about some apple bottom jeans with the boots, with the fur. Baby, how I dream of being free since my birth. Cursed, but the demons I confronted with the spurs. Have you ever heard of some shit so real? Beyond from the heart, from the soul, you can feel. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. But please don't cry, just know that I have made these songs. I'm ready for the funeral. My mind runs runs. I can never catch it even if I got a head start. God, please help me, I am feeling so a long way. I don't need to worry, cause I know the world will feel this nigga. Blessing in disguise, but I am not hiding who I am. Open your eyes, bruh. If I ever met you, I appreciate the love, yo. Girls that I dated, it's okay, I am not mad, yo. Unless you stab me in the heart, no love, ho. This shit is so ill. Play it back from the top if you recognize real. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. But please don't cry, just know that I have made these songs for you. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Cause I'm ready for the funeral. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. So please don't cry, just know that I have made these songs for you. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Cause I'm ready for the funeral. Ready for the funeral. Ay, ay, I'm ready for the funeral. Ay, I'm ready for the funeral. Ay, I'm ready for the. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the funeral.
Big city life, me try to get by. Pressure now ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, in my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case. Big city life, try to get by. Pressure now ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, my heart have no base. And right now Babylon dip on me case. People in a show, all lined in a row. We just push on by. It's funny how hard we try. Take a moment to relax before you do anything rash. Don't you wanna know me? Be a friend of mine. I'll share some wisdom with you. Don't you ever get lonely from time to time. Don't let the system get you down. Big city life, me try to get by. Pressure now ease up no matter how hard me try. Big city life, in my
Alrighty, ladies and gents.
Babylon dip on me case. Big city life.
Hope you guys are ready to get our favorite round of the week, round 7. Good morning, Chad. From myself, Chris Market Bull, and to my right, Mr. Prophet Benang himself. How are you this morning, my brother?
I'm blessed, sir. Good morning, good morning.
You look blessed.
Thank you. Yes,
You
sir.
look refreshed,
Amen.
renewed.
Amen. Amen.
You must pray for some of these hairlines in the chat and in the office.
Yes, sir.
Need a Chad, how's everyone doing? Okay, sound should be fixed. It was actually a very simple fix. It just clicked to me that Mo and them plugged. I don't know why Mo always gets the flack. We love Mo. But yeah, they plugged it into the front USBs, which is the wrong move. But now it should be fixed. Should not be any issues on the audio. So if you guys can just confirm, how's the audio levels? Not too loud, not too soft. Music also good.
Somebody says, so it was more.
Hey, shame. No, we love Mo. We pressure those we love the most. So, because we believe they can reach higher levels. Audio is good. Beautiful. Chad, we are going to commence here. It has been a very, very good week so far. We've got quite a bit of data coming out tomorrow. We've got quite a bit of headlines coming through the wires. Bonang absolutely catching some smashing trades yesterday. So well done to Bonang and the guys on that. We caught some beautiful trades on gold in the morning. Unfortunately, gold giving us that sell quite late in the afternoon. Myself and Keegan actually, we were in between the buys. Must actually share that chat with you, but in the end both of us took the sell, and I'm like, Keegs, at what stage do we just call it a day and keep it moving? And we said, okay, one more 5 minutes. But yeah, we caught the sell for 50, so that was 100 pips yesterday. That was solid. And then Bonang caught 10 is 10 times 10 times 10 yesterday. So, but Chad, we are going to get going. If this is your first time here, kindly note that we always commence these streams with a prayer. And let's just quickly pray and let's get ready for the session. Let's just bow our heads. Father, I just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for bringing us all back safely here today. I pray that you will guide us and that you will lead us, give us wisdom, give us insight. And thank you for blessing us each and every single day. Thank you that you've brought the Chad here. Also pray that you will be with each and everyone watching these streams, engaging with our content, Lord. I just pray that they may never feel alone, that you are just one prayer away for them, Father. And sometimes we pray for breakthroughs, we pray for certain blessings and gifts, but everything in your time, Lord. And we just want to thank you that your hand of protection is over us here in the studio, over what we do, over the work we do. And we just pray that you will continuously bless us to bless others, and that you will keep us safe, our families, Lord, our businesses, our community, our country, Lord. We just pray that your hand will be over it. And all of this we pray not because we deserve it, because we are sinful by nature and we don't actually deserve anything good. But yet your grace and your mercies are new every single day. Every morning when we wake up, your grace and mercies are new. You say in your word, where sin abounds, grace abounds even more. So there's hope and there's love and there's grace for the sinner. Even in the worst parts of our life, Father, you are still there. You never leave us nor forsake us. And we want to thank you for that in the mighty and awesome name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad,
Amen.
you can drop an amen right now. Amen.
Thank you,
Amen.
Jesus. Powerful.
Okay. Chad, there we go. You guys can hear the music, eh? Alrighty. Let's get straight. Did I close my economic calendar? Let's get straight into the economic calendar for today. We had some CPI coming out of the Swissy this morning. Didn't actually give the actual, very weird, but a relatively flat day on news. We've got some unemployment figures coming out of the Eurozone ECB. We've got challenger job cuts. I don't even know what that is. We've got initial jobless claims and factory orders. National Day in China. China. I don't know if do we have any Chinese here. Somebody here speak a Chinese? No? Bonang? No Chinese. Okay. So relatively straightforward day. I think we will continue with the trend from yesterday then. Let's start with the dollar on the daily real quick here. As mentioned, the weekly is still relatively bullish for me. I don't know if this can still go bullish, but remember what I said yesterday. We broke the structure from these highs, broke it up. This is a pullback into that zone right there. So I'm still expecting dollar bullishness, weirdly enough, Chad. Could be completely wrong, but yeah, I'm expecting the dollar to make a little bit of a rebound. This could be the consolidation before breakout to the upside. However, we will need to hold this area right here. We will need to flip back bullish on the day for any type of sustained upside move. So I'm going to say dollar this morning, very simple. That is your zone to monitor. Let's just change the color here for you guys. Let me just get comfortable. I don't know why I always sit so tense here, like I'm ready to attack the screen, but sure. But yeah, chat, that is what I'm seeing on the dollar. If we start trading below here, I do think dollar can start to show some weakness. But other than that, daily flip, that is your sign for the dollar. These glasses feel like they are not sitting straight. US 30 on the daily yesterday, beautiful. As mentioned, took previous daily lows, started to flip bullish. That was your sign to go bullish. This is our daily zone that we are trading in. 2 zones. Breaking out of that zone. Is this a confirmed breakout? Not yet. We're going to need to see some type of retest there and then the continuation. But I am bullish on the day. I want to see what we do at that little bit of a lower level there. Otherwise, what we can also see is maybe something like this. This is going to be the ideal for longs. So bullish for me. If we start trading below this zone right here, things can get a little bit bearish. Okay, so those are the 2 zones. I'm going to say this zone right here, we can start to push from here or wait for that level to get tested, wait for it to flip back bullish on the day. Okay, very, very simple on US 30. NASDAQ daily, let's quickly look at what we've got here. Beautiful, beautiful breakout yesterday. Also mentioned to you guys that the key giveaway was the failure to hold below the previous daily low. If you ever look for a sign that something's going to go bullish, check out trades at the previous daily low. If it holds the previous daily low, you can go bearish. If it fails to hold below it, that is a clear sign that that was the fake out. Let me just show it to you guys, give you guys some education, because you guys pay a lot to be on these streams every single day. So that right there is the sellers, the breakout traders getting to sells and then getting absolutely hammered back to the upside. So I'm bullish. I don't know, yeah, there's a little bit of a niplet there, but as long as we stay above previous daily high, we are bullish on this. And what I potentially want to see, or what I ideally want to see, is a retest of this zone. Okay, you can see here we broke out, never retested that previous daily high. Very likely you'll come back here, and then we can start to push back to the upside. Same thing now as yesterday. If we fail to hold this zone and we start trading something like this, then we can go bearish. But up until then, this thing is bullish, and trading view need to be better than this. I don't know what's going on with trading view these days. We pay a lot of money to have premium features, but for some reason we don't. Okay, gold on the daily, beautiful. Same thing as yesterday. Mention it. Previous daily low taken. Oh no, sorry, this is today's candle. Took the previous daily low, failed to hold, so I'm going to go for that wick fall today. 38.95. I'm bullish all the way while we trade above that previous daily low. And all I want to see ideally is what is going to happen closer to this 200 EMA. Daily flip this area right here, Chad. That is the zone that I'm monitoring. And as soon as we tap into that zone, hold it. That is my sign to go long. Shorts can also come to play. Okay, I'm not saying shorts cannot come to play, but 200 EMA you can see as just as always I've mentioned how powerful the 200 EMA is. I don't need to school you guys on that. If you don't know how good the 200 EMA is, then it's maybe your first time here. But yeah, while we trade above the 200 EMA, solidly bullish for me. I'm going to need to see something like this to get any type of bearish price action, but up until then, bullish. And then last but not least, we've got the DAX. Beautiful breakout, absolutely massive. Expecting a little bit of a smaller range day today. We've got this right there. We've got this up there. I don't know if this is the clean version. It's not the clean version. So let me just change that. That could get us into some trouble. DAX is bullish, Chad. However, after massive range days, you would expect some of a little bit of a pullback, some consolidation. So unless you caught it yesterday, there was your test this morning. There's your previous daily high breaking out. So only real way you can potentially get involved here this morning is if we come back to test this area. Okay, that is going to be the idea, and then we can trade up there. So a little bit extended, a little bit, yeah, but we'll monitor it there. But Chad, that is my rapid fire analysis. I just want to get Bonang's screen back on here. Give me 1 second, Bonang. Just need to get your screen back.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we have it. Okay, I see there. I see it. Okay, Chad, there we go.
Hello. How is everyone doing? This morning I'm asking for 200 likes. I'm asking for 200 likes before anything.
You guys have 15 minutes still to open.
Yeah, it's a new month. Let's push this 200 likes. It's possible.
That's light work for the Chad. I believe in it.
Yeah.
I believe in the Chad. I believe the Chad can do it. Chad, can you do it?
Let's go.
Where Mo gave me that. Let me just get this quickly.
Chronic, if you didn't like this stream, bro, you are not taking any trade today. I'm telling you. It's very simple. I think I'm going to try and make a video
Of how to like the stream.
Yeah, I want to do that. People don't know how to do it. It's very simple, guys.
They're fighting that like button.
Let's go.
They think the like button will push them into poverty, but it won't. It could potentially take you out of poverty.
I can even show you still stuck on one like. And also those who are behind, just refresh your stream also so that you can catch up. You are not 30 minutes behind.
Aye.
Such a very simple pattern, guys. 200.
200.
Let's go.
We're forcing those mentors watching the stream to like the stream. They're like, I'm just here for the signal. My community is waiting for the signal. I'm not here to like the stream.
They don't want to reveal themselves.
Do you know how many signals groups we power through these streams?
Yeah.
We're actually powering communities, trading communities.
Powerful. That's powerful. We're doing the Lord's work.
Yeah. There's mentors
Yeah.
sitting on these streams waiting like, yo, my community needs to eat.
Yeah, that's a good one. Powered by 2Gs. That's a good one. That's a good one.
They the face, but we the engine.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. How many likes now?
Guys, and for the guys that won yesterday, it was proper Naughty Boy music that won. And Kyle, I don't know why 7 people emailed support. Like, please, come on, guys.
Behave yourself.
Yes. Now even Mega. Oh, did Mega win the? Okay. I'm from America. What time is it for you guys? It is currently 12 minutes before 9 in the morning. So we are about to get our day started here. Where in America are you from? I must just get the live chat every time I forget. Smash the like button. Morning, everyone. God bless and have a beautiful day in Ashard. Thank you so much, my brother. Same to you.
I think we also should display something showing a like thing, subscribe, not that thing that scrolls on top of the thing. In a corner somewhere.
I must get it for us. I can. Let's actually just remind me afterwards. I can get it for us.
Yeah, we may forget sometimes. All right, guys, you are pushing. You are doing great. This is a good morning. For me, it's a good morning if we reach 200 likes. That would be great.
Are you guys ICT traders? I think you can consider us because remember I was ICT's mentor. So, I'm the godfather of ICT. So, I don't know, does that make me an ICT trader? Because I mentored Michael Adelson. So, technically no, and also technically yes. Brian, good morning. So, ICT was...
Hey, but data. Oh my God.
Other guys wanting data.
Any trade. This guy says my data finished before I even took a trade. Yo, bro.
It's a very important aspect of trading, having data to manage your trade.
And a generator to back up your system if there is a load shedding where you come from. ICT is too complex. Market Bull did it.
Yeah, I mentored him.
He'll break it down for you. Don't worry.
I'll show you what I showed Michael. Yeah, I actually wanted to keep it a secret, but I was Michael's.
And simple to understand. Oh, enjoy yourself.
You can ask Michael. Ask him who mentored him. He'll tell you. You will say Larry Williams, but I mentored Larry Williams as well. So both of them I mentored.
Guys, if you don't like this stream, we might just have to go back to the screen of Chris as he analyzed today. Myself, I'm not. We have to reach 200, please. We're at 233 views.
I've been looking into quarterly theory. ICT is involved. It's very interesting. It is. The only secret you got at the moment is that close shave. Is it vet, Chris? Oh, Chris, respect Larry Williams and John. No, I love Larry Williams. Very good book we shared in the Discord as well. A lot of his concepts we use as well. So, very, very solid guy. He still has the record on futures for the Robbins World Cup. So, I have 2 fresh evals ready to go. There we go. How's this song? It's the new album of Mute. But I see there's some classics in here as well. US government shutdown. How will it affect the market? Shouldn't really affect the market up until there's no resolve, but it should be resolved. We've had quite a few of these government shutdowns. It's just the Dems and the Libs. Not the Libs. The Republicans not agreeing on the bill. I use this indicator, Larry Williams proxy index. Beautiful. Chris, the one phase rules is only daily and max drawdown, correct? Yes. That's the only difference. I mean, like, so we're sitting at 170, 30 more than we did. How are the people refusing to live stream? At least you can do these guys here every single day. Putting in a shift to help us. What is wrong with you? Like, it's free. Like this stream. Dwayne, this is you and me from Mute. 6 minutes till the open, ladies and gents. Hope you guys are ready. Just want to send this to the guys quickly.
$179. Come on, the mentors in the chat are pissed because the mentees are calling now.
Kribo, is there a specific way? Kyla, the easiest way to identify a fake out is, we've talked about this quite a few times, is let's say you break out. Let's say there's a level of resistance there and you break out and you fail to hold on that retest and continue. Then it's a clear sign of a failed breakout. So the ideal is that if you break out of a level, you want to see the retest hold, because this is how reversals occur. It will consolidate, it will break out, get everyone bullish, and then just come back into the range. So that's the only way. So if you are taking, let's say, impulsive entry on the breakout, so let's say you've got something like this. Okay, so you break out. There's your breakout candle, and you execute on it. Then your trade management should be, I am monitoring to see whether, because it can continue. Strong breakouts will continue, and then only later on will it start to correct. But your idea should then be, this trade, this impulse breakout is only valid if we hold above this key area. Okay, so very simple. So a lot of times you're going to wait for the retest and you might miss that move, but that's where you got to take the good with the bad, and that's where you just need to be very alert. Also, what you can consider is the following. If you break out, so I don't know if you've been on stream with us, Chad, let's say this is a session high. What do we expect to happen when we break out at a session high and above a consolidation? What do we want to see? We want to see volume. Okay, so if you execute your trade there and price, let's say price creates a bottom wick and then re-breaks the high, you don't want to see it re-break the high and then start to struggle there, because then it's very likely not going to push up. You can see a bottom wick, and then when it re-breaks, you want to see a lot of volume come in. Okay, so because you're trading at a session high, and at session highs and lows, reversals occur or continuations, and you want to see volume. Okay, 9 more likes, Chad, and then we are going over to Bonang.
Let's open this market. Gold taxi is huge pothole. This and USD are refusing to go uptown.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, can you do that example on us since it broke out yesterday? Jake will give me a second. What time was that breakout on us? Yeah, so yeah, I think Jake's is referring to this. Jake's are referring to that breakout there. The one we had here. Are you referring to that? Or are you referring to this fake out here? Because remember, this was right at the open. And this was before the news released. So I wouldn't consider this. This was just a lot of manipulation. Yeah, so this is a very good example. Just want to open up these markets. Chad, Bona, I think the one is there by you. Markets are open and in motion. Favorite round of the week, round 7. Ding, ding, ding. Fight.
Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. 201 likes. Beautifully done. Thank you. Let's see what we have here. What I have here with me is the NASDAQ that deserves those W's since yesterday. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful and clean trade. No kululu, no kalala. When we say no kululu, no kalala, we mean non-negotiable moves like this one here. Beautifully done. What a better way of starting a month. And God is faithful. Now, we're going to look at NASDAQ, but quickly before we look at NASDAQ, let's jump into this thing here. This US30 guy here. There is something interesting here with US30. There is not enough volume in terms of the market. We have already hit the buy TP. If we expand this, we have already hit the buy TP and we are melting from there. But again, I decided to take buys right now this morning there. Yeah, I decided to take buys. I decided to be bullish. But before we go there, can you please, guys, give me another W for this beautiful trade as of yesterday? US30 did smooth.
Sure.
No stress.
Sure.
No kululu. No kalala. That's basically what we do on daily basis with the 2Gs. I always say, if you trade against the 2Gs,
sure,
whether
right.
DCT, BCT, ICT, never trade against the 2Gs. No matter who you are, where you come from. This here is perfect mathematics. Market analyzed as 1 + 1 = TP. Nevertheless, let's move on. Now, if you check yesterday, we took a very clean trade in a range. I want you to look at this way. This was our ranging market yesterday. If you expand this whole entire thing, you will see here that this was a sideways market taken from this area here, and then looking at the structure of the market right now, this market broke a key zone that I call the high or a resistance yesterday. The market hit the TP. After hitting the TP, what did the market do? The market then stayed above that zone. You see, broke that zone, tried to go down, failed, tried many times to go down, failed, and we sustained this zone. We sustained our high or our breakout, right? So this breakout here is supposed to continue. Basically, that's what this market must do beyond any doubt. It must continue rallying all the way up. Now, the reason of this continuation is because of this all-time high projected TP. There is a projected TP that we projected from this zone before when we took the sales on the 29th. That's the TP that I said that's an all-time high TP. That's 46,847. 29th and also 25th, similar price action there. So as we are sitting right now, the market is currently sitting at a zone where we need to continue jumping all the way up, but there's not enough volume anyway, so that's why I decided to take these small scalping trades there. If you think I'm joking, I'm not. You see, that's almost 900 and something there floating in this trade. That's the trade that I took. But running here now is today's range. Let me just show you something here. On today's range, this is how we are. This is how we are. Today's range, there we are. So if you check this range today, it is giving some signs that there is a need for us to go back inside this. But I doubt. For me, with this kind of move, pushing all the way up yesterday, the pressure we came up with yesterday.
Sorry, Bonang. Chad, I just went long on DAX. Stops are going to be Stops are going to be about 47 points. Okay.
Beautiful.
47.
That's
DAX, yeah. But continue.
Okay. German 30.
Long, yeah.
Okay, beautiful stuff, guys. Let's see. That's it. Now this range, I think this was a sign that the upper leg is going to run and continue running. And I think if you check, we did analyze last month, towards the end of the month, we did analyze why the market is giving an upper leg. And this is an upper leg on monthly candle that is supposed to continue and continuously run like that. I hope this makes sense. So now taking a buy this morning is a short-term buy, but we are expecting this market to break this key zone here. This could be during volume sessions such as New York session, and then we can be able to break out here. But nevertheless, the data is actually predicting or showing us that the TP is within a range. So there's a possibility that that could be a strong resistance. That means there's nothing that can break this market here at this point. It was going to be lovely if the TP of the day today was above the key zone. You see, that could be a good signal for a breakout. Right now, unfortunately, we just have to take a TP from a resistance zone, unless we just let our TP open and then we target that TP there. But for me, with the way I trade, I haven't seen the market driving far away from the value, right? So that means the market is going to likely going to stay within this zone. If you didn't take this one, then there's nothing for you at all. So basically, that's me for you right now, running smoothly, very, very smoothly. And I like it. The moment the market pull open, the market, we were actually sitting at this key zone here, somewhere here, and then beautifully done, the market went all the way up. I always say this: when a structure is broken, structure gets broken, structure retested. So from this structure, as soon as it is retested, we have to buy. And that's basically what I just did there. Beautifully done. Now, as of NASDAQ is rallying towards the TP again, which is the TP of the day. TP of the day is 24921.73. I think myself, if you kept holding onto this trade, there is a 23rd TP that I spoke about there. This one here, as you can see. There it is. That's where the market is currently rallying to, and also rallying to today's TP. So these buys can actually run and continue running like that without any stress. There's nothing to worry about there. Let's see. I think I'm going to look for sales, but not now. This could be during New York session. I want to see where the price is going to go. Right now, price is at the middle of nowhere, right? It's on air. There is no zone. There is no price where this price is currently at. If you enter this market, you are going to be gambling, or you are likely going to be sliced like chicken this point. Because one, the market can actually go up to the TP, or market go back to the CV. If you don't know what is a CV, then it's a problem. A car without a CV joint, it cannot go anywhere. So basically, there's high possibility that the market can come back to the CV or go all the way up there. So you need to watch out for that. Nevertheless, thank you so much, Mr. Chris. Over to you. So no trade for me on NASDAQ, only US30. Thank you.
Alrighty, Chad. There we go. DAX, just to give you guys a quick idea of why I took these longs. Previous daily high, 200 EMA, Asia highs here. As soon as we broke this minor structure going down, you can see there lower lows, lower lows. As soon as we broke above all of that, that is where I executed with the idea we can continue up, coming all the way back down. If we fail to hold this previous daily high, we are in serious trouble here. Then we are gonna hit the stops. But for now, that is where the stop is, right in the middle of that zone. Can it hold? A little bit consolidative. As mentioned, could be a consolidative day, but we are still effectively bullish. So let's see. Gold, as soon as this 5 closes, I will be executing longs on gold. So let's see what gold is going to do. There's that zone on gold. US30 as well, currently at that zone we mentioned this morning. If we can hold that, things can start to push. So gold 45 seconds, and then we are back above that zone we mentioned. 200 EMA, and that zone right there. So 35. Stops are gonna have to be below this 5. Okay, let's get ready here for gold.
Are you making money or it's a long story? Chart.
Chad can't take it. Close below that zone right there. Just need a closure above there, then I'm gonna take it.
I love the behavior of the market today. It's giving some good volume, yeah?
Okay, DAX. We're just gonna wait for gold to trade above that zone, Chad, because we can reject from there. That is your pre-market high. That is also a little double top structure, so we can start moving back down from there. I just want to see a break back above there. German 30 chop city here, but let's see. Nice hold there. We want to see this start trading away. Nice bullish engulfing. Previous daily high 200 EMA. It needs to start moving here. Otherwise this is not good for us. And then gold, just gonna wait for that closure there.
Wait for 15 close. So the shutdown will really affect NFP tomorrow. Can see most fundamental sides already removed NFP. Don't be sliced like chicken.
Okay, Chad.
Are you gonna be trading the whole time until New York? There is a break, then from there we go to New York. 3 p.m. Central Africa time.
DAX, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, just close there for us. Hold it, hold.
More wait, did Bonang hide the trade until the stream got 200 likes?
Jexy, I'm gonna go there now.
More.
Chris, you know we already took the prize. Hey man. Nah, I've got rules, man. Jax, I'm gonna go back to your example now.
Listen to this guy. Hey.
I just wanna first get into this gold. Just wanna lock it in 2 minutes.
Brian, boom, 6 million, brother. You must start calling me boom.
Okay, let's see. German 30. Yeah, let's see if she can produce a W for us. Gold, just need that closure above there, Chad, and we are gone. We are gone. Brian, I had to go big since I knew the sales were going to be tough. 1 minute, Chad. Whoa, gold. Pay the boys here today.
You're looking for shots?
I don't know, long and strong.
I see.
Hold, just don't run now. Just hold it here for us. Just there. That is perfect. No. See, Brian's already pushing it up here, Burang.
Brian.
Yeah, because what I taught Brian is you see this 38.70. So he's already long there because it's above that 38.70.
He's enjoying
So
himself.
yeah, he's gonna be out there already, 38.75.
Yeah, it seems like Brian is the only one who says he trades against the 2Gs.
He's lying. He's
If I catch you, Brian.
I know he's lying, but I don't believe what he says. All right, Chad. Here we go. Boom. Okay, stops are gonna be 50 straight up, 50 for 50. Can we get it? Actually gonna do 52 just to allow for some spread, and we're going for a 52. Okay, there we go. I just set my stops. Okay, there we go. Okay, DAX, DAX, we're just consolidating here. Not gonna manage this at this stage, Chad. Previous daily high sitting there, still holding the 200. I actually just want to check. Yeah, we're still holding VWAP. Yeah, actually just a terrible trade, but anyways, we'll see what DAX does. And then gold, that is gold. If DAX can come to play now.
Shoo. Look at that. Let's go.
Oh, but look at this now. Hi, DAX.
Hey.
DAX.
Hey. If you see DAX doing that, these indices might do the same.
No, but DAX follows the US indices, and they are bullish. Ooh, Chad. This could be the moment we get sliced here. Sliced like chickens.
That's being marinated.
Yo, just seasoning us, grilling us.
Come on, God, run, bro.
Aye,
Save us from disaster, bro.
aye, DAX. Chad, I'm just gonna run to the bathroom, see if I can pee for TP. Maybe even bring DAX back. DAX is behaving bad this morning. Yeah, like I said, after a big day like yesterday, we could go into consolidation mode. But it was a setup. The setup was there. The setup was clean. So, like I said, while we hold above the previous daily high, it's still bullish. But yeah, let's see. Not a lot of volume here this morning on it though. But gold has been solid at least. Okay, chat, I'll be back now. DAX. No, man. Okay, DAX out. Sliced. DAX made a chicken of us. Okay, stopped out on DAX, Chad. Okay, let's see this. All right. If we reject that area now, Chad, Asia highs and previous daily high, I'm actually going to go for the short for a little bit of a pullback play into Asia lows. So we'll see. But for now, still in gold. NASDAQ at the highs, US 30 still at this level. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Let's check it, Jexy. Let's check it now for you. Okay, coming back to Jake's example yesterday. Okay. Exactly, I think it was Dwayne that asked the question. So you've had the highs taken, you've had the lows taken. So we had this little consolidation here. So first you popped higher, got a lot of guys bullish, then you broke lower, got a lot of guys bearish. Key one here for me is we held above that 200 EMA. Okay, so that was the first sign that price is now ready to go bullish. Okay, here's your breakout. Okay, that is your breakout level. You can see now that we never got the retest. We broke this, let's call it these data highs here, just before the data released. And look what happened, just straight volume. Now, the thing is, if you're trading a breakout like this, like I mentioned, you don't want to see price stall or hesitate here. you want to see volume come in, because this is a level where price can do the following. It can hit that level and it will start to like hesitate. You'll see it on the candle while it's forming. It will look like it's pushing, coming back, and at the end of the day it just comes back into that range, and that then becomes your fake out. Okay, but yeah, this was a perfect breakout play there. Nice volume after the data, and it just continued one way up until the close last night. So I just want to check where it was. Just want to check where it was VWAP on NAS yesterday. Yeah, check, see, that was actually, VWAP was there as well. Let's just do this quickly. Let's do that quickly. Yeah, checks there, you can see. Hold on VWAP and 200 EMA. So if you were aggressive, you could have actually entered on that second candle there, both holding the level.
Someone says trade NASDAQ. You see, NASDAQ for me, where NASDAQ is now, it's a no-go area for me. It's a no-go area for me. I don't want to gamble there. But if we come back here,
I think that's us out on gold. Let me just check.
If we come back here, I can enter.
Yeah, Chad. Out on gold, eh?
Alright.
Let's see something. That is stops on gold.
So NASDAQ is, let's just leave it alone. Let's just be battling with this guy here. He's also misbehaving because of this PRV, previous close price here, 46,397. Price may go there before going up. See here, but I'm in. Main reason is because of this key zone here. Yesterday's key zone here might not be valid today, but basically that's it. Let's see. Let's see how that goes. Gold, did I check gold today? Let's see. Yesterday's calculated move didn't rally, declined, but buys are still valid for me. Turning point is what we expect. Let's see how that goes.
Okay. Yeah, Chad, gold stopped. This is a perfect example of a fake out. Failed to continue higher, coming back inside of the range. Now trading back below that zone, Chad. So as mentioned, shorts could be on as well for a retest of Asia lows. So you could see something like this trading into that daily flip area, 200 EMA, and then coming down. Or this thing can just go straight down. But we're going to see what's going to happen here on this 200 EMA. Quite a bit of consolidation since yesterday afternoon. You can see here we have just been trading in and around this 200 EMA. So price is potentially going to start reversing, or this is just setting up for the next swing to the upside. But shorts are not off the table if we come back into this zone, but I will let you guys know. And then German 30 is just ugly at this stage, just consolidation mode. US 30 currently holding that zone, so we're gonna see.
It was me on that road, but you couldn't see me. Too many lights out, but no one near. It was me on that road.
It was me on that road. You couldn't see me. US state, you give me or you're not gonna give me demand.
I'm just gonna put on your screen.
Bonang,
Okay.
create the meds for Bitcoin. It's there. There are people who use the meds on Bitcoin, bro. It's working wonders for them. So I don't trade Bitcoin, but it's working there. This thing must run. I know there are some who are selling. You are the reason why this market is behaving the way it's behaving. But don't worry. We will see whose stop loss is going to be TP.
Gotta be catch up with the trade, yeah. Waiting for a tracement on gold. I expect a deeper pullback. Could be.
You never give me. It must give me, bro. Should we switch on the microwave now? Hey.
Gold of
Please
that
check
EQ.
Bitcoin, Bonang. I don't check anything apart from NASDAQ, USD, and gold. Nothing. I don't want anything to do with anything apart from these three. I don't want.
NAS also failing. Your Jexy thing with NAS is we technically out of session. And I think earlier in the year we saw scenarios where the US indices moved during London and then consolidated during NYSE. And then you can have areas where it consolidates during London and then moves during NYSE. But yeah, I wouldn't say it's failing as of yet, but it is at Asia highs. My ideal play for NAS would be this here. That retest on the previous daily high. Because remember, this is your weekly high, this is your daily high, this is your session high. We're out of session. So what's going to drive the volume? There's no data. I'm not saying it cannot run. It's just
Complicated.
it's at a zone that the probability is
I
there.
think, Chris, like you are saying, you see where it broke from there, down there.
Yeah. It must retest there.
Yeah, or an individual could be sitting there. You are safe if you took it from that side and holding, you know. But to enter there, you can't go there, my friend.
That's I like. US 30 I like. It's at the 200 EMA. It's at your daily flip. It's at Asia lows. The ideal on US 30 would be this. Just taking Asia lows. That's your ideal play. Faking out these lows because you can see there's some clean lows here. So just faking out that and then moving up. So that's your ideal play on US30. And then NAS waiting for that move here. But if you want to short NAS from here, Chexy, just know that the party may stop quickly.
What's the time? Oh, 10 o'clock is still far.
2 L's, quick. On the chin.
Then we are going for a PRV. Series. Let's see anyway. We are still here. Make the oven on.
Alright, that's true.
Mo, I'm hungry, my friend. Yeah, Rooks, that's a good idea there. It's a good idea to wait for the PRV there. It's a very good idea, but also couldn't. One thing I like about the Mets, you decide. You want to take it or you don't want to take it, and then us we take it. And then when we reach the TV, we ask you, did you take this trade?
I closed early.
Yeah, there are people like, I came out early. I was scared of...
I closed that break even.
Then what you gonna do? You gonna give me my level? Is he still alive, that guy? Rooks is one of the people who come out early, Chris.
Is he early?
Yeah.
Early man.
Let's go. No one is safe in these conditions. Price moves like unchained dog. Rely on the Mets, my brother. We will tame those dogs. They will not run.
Jax, you see what I meant there with Nas?
Now, yesterday you enjoyed yourself, my brother.
Nas.
You and Lyndon, you come out quick. But yesterday, you made me proud. Can you imagine I'm celebrating that you are making money, that you don't send me at all? I'm a good man. Hey. I'm pushing you towards success. Hi, these guys.
Jax is like, yo, I immediately regret my decision shorting Nas. Jaxie, I think this is where it helps to stay with the trend. So we know it's overall bullish. We know it can sell, but just sticking with your one bias for the day. So you're not gonna start selling, getting emotionally involved in the sells, and now you start to flip your bias short. Because you are in the shorts, but we know it's bullish. So just keeping it clear, like, okay, we are bullish on the day. We can only really get bearish once we're below here. So instead of trying to catch the pullback for your main move, you just wait for your main move. Same with this. We are bullish while we're trading above here. And not overcomplicating it. Gold, we're bullish, but however, like I said, if we start to reject this area here, this is where we could go short. This thing is, I can just leave that. This is nice.
That's gold.
Yeah,
See, that's
38,
Sure.
65,
Sure.
200, 200.
Bonang, are you now going to be permanent in PE? Guys, even if I'm in Pretoria, no one cares. No one has ever wanted to meet me one-on-one. Nobody cares.
But now they care.
I could walk in the
Like,
mall.
where are you now, Bonang? Hey.
Nobody cares. I get sick alone. Nobody cares. Guys, I'm fine here. I'm okay here. Lord, I wanted to meet you, Moose. I'm here. I mean, I'm here. Bro. I'm here.
Tina said it was good at you in a meeting. I took 2 losses, so I wish I was in a meeting. Gold sells. Looking at price now, I think we're going to be very consolidative.
I think also, Chris, by the move that we made yesterday, today should be a no trading day, you know?
Should be consolidative.
That move was just something else. And to get this kind of setup, it's rare. On the first of a month, beginning of a month, it's very rare. It's very rare. So right now, the market is currently dizzy, guys. That's what I can say. That's the best way to explain it.
Yeah, I don't think the gold shorts are bad. I'm not in the gold shorts. My only reason for not being in the gold shorts is if you look left here with me, this area here. Okay. If I pull this all the way left. So this zone right here, you can see yesterday, a lot of reaction off that level. See that? So I don't mind the shorts, but I would want to take the short somewhere up here. So yeah, this could literally, we could be trading like this till this afternoon, doing this. So that's why I'm not too.
And again, this market sometimes moves when we stop the stream.
Yeah.
Guys, are you prayerful, you people? Bonang, you grow when talking about man. You reached your You grow and talking about man. You reached your 2026 target on yesterday's buy. That was massive. Both US state and NASDAQ went very well. We might as well pause until after NFP. If I hit this TP here on this US state, I'm out. I have to just take a break and see how the market is going to behave. You don't want to force moves. You want stability. You see?
Yeah, the way gold is trading in our chat is nothing for me.
Bonang, scave your market remote. Every time you say buy, it goes up. Ash, man.
Chris, there going to be an NFP tomorrow? No. No. There is no NFP. Because he's going to release the data. Guys are on strike.
So, what does that mean? When they come, they are going to release it?
Yeah, so it'll just be released late. It will be released next week.
Bonang Ruan, here's a question for you. What is the question? I didn't see it. Drop it again. Ask, my friend. Feel free.
Let me see. Still showing the NFP here tomorrow.
I can't see the. Bonang, any advice on preaching? I'm a second year Bible school student and preaching Saturday as a practical assignment. Who sent you? Question number 1. Who sent you? You see, I don't have a problem with the Bible school, but the theory that they give you, like for example, the assignment that you are being given is human-based assignment from a human teacher. You need to go beyond being sent by human, but to be sent by God himself. That means now the presence of God is what you need more than just going to a school to attend like any other qualification that one can want to do. So when you go out on an assignment, the question is who is sending you. If it is God who is sending you, then glory be to him. But if you are sent on an assignment to fulfill certain things so that you can have certain marks, then already we are doing it fleshly, and flesh things don't end well. You would want to be paid for preaching, you would want to have a salary and all, and so forth and so forth.
It's a calling.
Yeah,
to preach.
that's the thing. That's what I think he has to get clearly. And thanks Chris for that. It's a calling, God given. So myself, I didn't even go to any Bible school. Didn't. But I do read the Bible so I can understand it properly.
Sideways day for us.
It's a short preach. It's not a preach to a congregation. It's just to give us exposure to preaching. Yeah, that's a good thing, to be trained on how to preach. But for me, I think
Must be led by the Holy Spirit.
The Holy Spirit. Whatever that you utter should be Spirit led. So, but also the good part that I love mostly in terms of being taught how to preach, I think being taught by your pastor is the best, not an institute, more like a Bible school. But your pastor is somebody who mentors you and shows you the way. It's just like a child being born by a father. That child comes and listens to the instruction of his own biological father. He can't come and do his own things because the father is the one who then teaches the child on what to do and not what to do. Think about it. If I give birth to my son now and I lock him in my house, we don't go out, and then I start to tell him that a tree is a lion, you grow to believe that a tree is a lion. And when I release him out of that room to go out and meet other children, there will be serious argument because his father told him that a tree is a lion. Then the people will be like, this is a tree. Then he will be like, no, you people, you are lying. So you get the point. He's laughing. That's a very While walking through the mall yesterday with someone, a person stopped us and asked if they could pray for us. I was like, sure, why not? And then immediately after praying, tried to sell something to me.
Yo.
There is nothing wrong with that. He prayed for you and you must buy. What's wrong with that? So you just don't want to buy. If you don't want it, tell him I don't want it. But prayer is valid. Don't underestimate the power of prayer, especially from a stranger, my brother. Don't take it light. You just decline in a polite way. You don't want to buy what they are selling you, but the prayer is valid. Don't underestimate a prayer from a stranger. Never do that. The Bible school does not get the call but attempts to enhance the skills of the one who called. The two are not mutually exclusive. Yes, they move together, hand in hand. They were selling gizzers or something. Yeah, you didn't want it. Just tell them, no, I'm okay. Thank you. Then you pass.
No gizzer for me.
Someone says he prayed for you, then you must buy.
Hey, Chad.
And I just don't like the way and the time we have spent in this area of interest here. I have to decide now what to do. Do I come out or stay? Let me see. If I come out, how much commission will it hit me this thing? I know I'm staying. I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. Waiting for 10 o'clock. Walter, what did you just say? I don't understand.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we should just see. But hey, I don't like this. This should be a PRV calling this price, bro. You are the reason, Rooks.
Oh, is Rook selling?
Rooks is waiting for buy from the PRV. But for me, you see the reason why I don't like to take a buy from the PRV. Let me show you guys. Hey, Rooks, let me show you. This here is a broken structure, right? Let's just mark it like that, right? Now, closing the market inside a broken structure. You know what that means? We are going to see something like this, Rooks. And then here. And then here. Straight to the low. You see, because already it has weakened the broken structure. So coming back here, for me to buy here, bro, I can't do that. It's risky for me. I think the buy that I took, that one is actually more reasonable than this one. I hope this makes sense. The best, safest way to buy will be here. If we fail to drive up there to the high, then the best way to buy is the low of the day. Do not attempt to buy there. This thing might slice you there. There is a massive clean range and a PRV of yesterday all the way, bro. So logic doesn't allow me to do that. I think the trade will be more riskier here than where it is. Could have been a quick one, in and out. You get my point? It is better than where it is. So stopping loss should be the PRV, just a little bit slightly below the PRV if I take a trade there. Because you see, somewhere here, that's where I can stop loss. Because coming down all the way, the range is very smooth, bro. It's very, very smooth. So that's why I'm fighting for these buys. A quick one, come out, and then I leave the rest in the hands of those that want to continue trading. I hope this makes sense, my brother. Education. What you do with that information is all up to you. Bonang, yesterday during London session, I placed that buy on US 30 from your setup. He held it all day. It made that the TP profits called by the prophet. Enjoy yourself, Cam. Enjoy yourself. That was a very... I think you didn't even go on much drawdown here. Straight to the profits. Straight to the profits, bro. And this is H1. It's not lower or quick move in and out, no. It's a massive. So it's a very good way of starting a month, I'm telling you. After paying those rentals and then you make it more than, then you are like, thank God. You see? That's a good provision. Don't take it back. Send it to the bank account. You understand? Yeah, I'm holding US 30, bro. For now. If I see signs of pressure to the down, I'm out. I'm not going to battle with this thing many times. This thing can be brutal. This thing can be brutal. Let's see what NASDAQ is saying. You see, NASDAQ is still holding since. You see, think about it. If you have taken a trade there, you are probably the same as me on US data right now. Profit negative, profit negative, profit negative the whole entire 2 hours. Imagine. It's a bad day, guys. Two minutes to go.
$10. Let's see what she is gonna do.
Okay. Sure. Right. God bless you, lads. I made 5,000 from God's signal after Next thing I want to do is to join your formal mentorship. My favorite part of the process is the part where you give glory to God for the success. You are welcome. Enjoy yourself. This is what we call smoothness, my brother. Market is sitting at a value even now. There we go.
Okay, 10 o'clock. Let me do my post.
Let's go. Yeah, man.
Gonna be an hour now.
Alright, okay, no problem. This market is like, let's go, my friend. Oh, please follow me on Instagram. Right. You give me or you don't give me. So, guys, this is the time where you want to jump out of this market. I'm telling you, what a day. Do we have to continue fighting like this? No, man. Don't forget to like the stream and reveal yourself. When we say reveal yourself, we mean drop a comment, say hi, and we will say hi back. Okay. What a day. Which pay is this? It's there. Yeah, it's there on the screen. There's a watermark here. Check here. Check here. I see it. It's US 30 H1.
There, German 30 goes, son of a gun. Son of a gun. Chad, your right idea this morning. No follow through. Holding that previous daily high. There she goes. Wasn't gonna go for it again.
See why I say don't use stop loss.
I see that. I see that. I see
You
it.
must
I
trust
see
the
it.
process.
Yay.
Let that thing run.
That stop loss keeping us out of the blues.
Red will eventually turn red, blue. This is what is happening right now.
US 30 also still holding that zone.
Yeah, US state is going to run now. It has to. NASDAQ is running to the TP. I think this is a perfect example of continue holding NASDAQ. Look at this. Hey, 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 hey. Yo, and this here, if you want to try and look for entry after missing this one here, you'll be brutalized many times. That's like, keep on holding this thing. Hold it. Chai. Broke all-time highs, running to create new all-time highs. 23rd TP, 2489, 895.89, almost hit, running towards 24921. This is the power of holding. If you hold this thing, you enjoy yourself. But if you are running at 10.0, you capitalize on the remaining 2 months of 2026. Let's enjoy ourselves, guys. US 30 TP incoming. Come on. Now, why are you rejecting? These markets, have you ever seen it? It's like when you watch it like this, it says, why are you so excited? Then it starts to stop. I just want that target for the day. Then I know that my October is settled. My October is settled. I don't want to be fighting with all these markets throughout this month, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mr. Chris, do you ever swing trade?
No. If I swing trade, it's on my long-term portfolio. That's the only place I swing trade. So I only have 6 or 7 holdings, Chad. I've shared it with you guys many times before. QQQ, NASDAQ, DJI, S&P 500, Charles Schwab, US Dividend Equity Fund, and then Tesla. Those are the only holdings. And then I started dabbling into some altcoins. I'm not gonna have FOMO again.
You are enjoying yourself.
But if I get brutalized on the altcoins, then I can say I've experienced that brutalization. But it's only a loss if you sell, you know. That's the beauty of it. If you hold it long enough, you'll get out in the green.
Yeah, true. There we go. TP incoming. See, this US state really is refusing. But it will eventually go. Which time frame is this? Okay. God help me not to be emotional. I want to make more money.
Yo, NASDAQ. I swing at a trade a lot. Nice for the ultra low exit, no swaps or commission. Chris, this gold sport is lacquer. Let's take a stab. I'm looking at it, Brian. I'm looking at it. Nice little daily flip there. 38.65. Brian, what I'm looking at is if we can get a nice little break of structure here. If we can get a nice little break of structure, I'm going to go for it. Just want to show you guys what I'm looking at. If we can get a nice little closure here, solid bullish candle showing us that buyers are stepping in from this level. That is where that's where I'm going to take a stab at it. Because then the idea is the following. We've technically created a mini little range here for ourselves, if you think about it. Then we've created this mini little range. And our advantage point then is that it's very likely we can go to retest that area. Okay, and then what it does there, that's none of our business really. But yeah, Brian, that's the idea I've got. Only reason Chad, I don't want to say I'm scared of the shorts, is that we already nipped previous daily lows. We already nipped those lows and we traded higher, so you're talking about these lows here, Brian. Yeah, these lows are relatively... Brian, the other scenario is we're rejecting the zone here. But again, it's like that... the shorts for that idea that we can take these lows here.
See what this USD is doing. Crazy.
Thanks guys watching the live. Helps me see that I don't have to chase trades. No, you don't have to. Brian, where we are at now, it's giving a similar scenario to what we had Friday, just before the end of the month. See how we consolidated for 2 days around the 200 before we made our move. So if you look at it now again, chat, that 200, there's a lot of consolidation building up of positions going on here. So I wanna ideally stick with the major trend here. So that's why if we get a nice break here, nice solid break above here, and I'm gonna swing it. Not swing it, but you guys know what I mean. We might get it in the next 53 seconds. Let's see. VWAP's also here, Brian. Chat, just for you guys to see. There's VWAP as well. So if you look at this, there's VWAP. perfectly on the WAP.
There's no volume here. I'm going to sleep and wait for you. We are trying, bro. We are trying. I didn't get the context. Makes sense. I just use Bonang as a confirmation. As a confirmation indicator. I'm currently an indicator, man.
Let's see, Chad. We might get gold here.
Enjoy yourself. Bonang indicator. Call me that.
We have point of control as well. I believe we are. Yeah, there is point of control as well, yeah.
Mo, where are you, my friend? Are you not on stream?
Will I ever trade Nikkei? No, I don't think I'll ever trade Nikkei, purely because it moves obviously during Asia session. So no Nikkei for me. Okay, come on, gold. Do it for us. Do it for the boys.
Let's go.
Also holding this 38.65. This I want to say is the riskier entry, Chad. This one right here. This right here is the riskier entry. Thing is, you can get out a lot earlier. My only thing is I want to see a little bit more intent off this level. So if we close nice and strongly bullish here, this is going to be my last boulette. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes. Will we get our position? Yeah.
Are we going to be smooth?
The idea is to be smooth.
All the way, sir. Smoothness is the only choice we have.
It's German 30. Brian, we gonna rip it, my brother.
The thing is also there's no volume and also the chart is quiet. So you are the reason why there's no volume in the market.
Okay, just hold it there for the boys. Full Morgan, here we come. Full Morgan.
Hi guys, I'm new. What are you guys trading? Gold,
Yeah,
US 30 and NASDAQ. That's what we specialize on. And where are you from? Are you female or male? Single or married?
Okay, Chad, if we close like this, I'm going in, Chad. Full Morgan.
Welcome to the stream. 100%. You belong here. You buy gold, you get sliced. You sell gold, you get sliced. Yo, That yo at the end is something else, bro.
Oh,
What must we do? We just have to keep going, my brother. We have no choice. It's not like we have got a choice. You understand?
Chad, I'm gonna let you know when I execute. Yeah.
That's why you need a prop firm. Prop firm partner vault funders assist in such kind of circumstances.
Oh, Chad, I can't take it. I'm not in yet. I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm in.
From India. Oh, nice. How is India? Where are you guys streaming from? South Africa, Port Elizabeth. South Africa, Port Elizabeth. You said you are in India. Brit Nigerian. Married block. Oh, nice. Oh, you are from Nigeria? Oh, nice. Mega Zimbabwe in the house. The only way you can escape the economy of Zimbabwe is to be within the forex industry. That's the only way. Otherwise, the money, you don't even know which money you are using right now. Is that US30, Chris?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it looks promising.
Nah, I think while it holds this, you don't have to be concerned.
Yeah.
I
can
think
go
you
and
just
sleep.
have to, yeah, you just have to wait. Smoothness will be your portion.
Amen.
Smoothness shall be your portion. I just want to get some
Amen.
smoothness on gold, yeah. Could this be the 5 that gives it to us, Chad? Chad, will this be it? After he said Sri Lanka, I couldn't stop my brain from thinking cricket. Disappointed in myself. Hey, man, Sri Lanka.
Niger. How is Niger?
You immediately thought Brian Lara.
Love SA, visited Cape Town. You must visit Port Elizabeth. It's more beautiful than Cape Town. Namibia, beautiful stuff. I love it.
Okay.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification button. We go live every day in the morning and afternoon. Bonang, how can one join your mentorship? Visit www.bonangfinance.co.za. Thanks, Rooks. Rooks just dropped the link there. That's a missed call there, Chris.
No, I'm still going to take it.
Okay.
No, I don't play with gold. Let's just not run out to these highs yet.
I see.
Just hold.
And then when you go there, or just come on Instagram, text me there. I will give you the WhatsApp number. If you go to the website, there is a link of WhatsApp there. Just click on that link and then apply for the mentorship. You are in, ready to run. It's a lifetime mentorship, by the way. So before you do yourself anything further, just read that website. Understand what is going on and what you get in return. Lifetime support. That's DAX.
I know this is gold. Chad, if you close like this, I'm going to take a rip at it, thinking minimum up there, and then after that could run higher, at least into this zone right here. Could run in there.
/ boom, 3 million. Yes.
How much is this? Can we get off 50? That's 40. High gold.
I am due another trip SA, but need to get HK out of the way next year. I will visit Port Elizabeth and Joburg on my next trip. Beautiful. Enjoy yourself. Are you a trader? Damn, my German 30 was still running and I decided to close it when it held under the previous daily high. Damn, straight to TP. Yo, can you imagine?
Unlucky there, sure. It happens. That's trading. Right idea, right bias. Price just chops you out.
David
That's-
Ntwali, no, I don't need visitors, man.
Okay, here we go. The last bullet for the session. 9, 8, 7.
Vicky J,
6,
no, it's not the same.
5,
Separate.
4.
Currently,
3,
still working on
2.
the background to match the two.
There we go, ladies and gents. Yo, why did I get such a bad phone?
I think this US 30, this US 30 is actually in a position when you close it, that's when it will run. That's psychology.
Broker starting to nerf us here, what? These markups. Okay, chat, that's the position right there. Let's see if we can get it. Last bullet for the day. Had to put a 53 spread widen a little bit here. I'm actually thinking 3880. 3880. I just want to check something here quickly.
It says trading codes. Please don't fake me out now that Chris is getting in. Real.
What song is this? Is this guy's getting brutalized?
What do you trade, Aryan? What do you trade? Here, there's no stop loss here. NASDAQ is preparing for good sales now.
Yeah, Chad, like I mentioned, the riskier entry was there. Holding VWAP close to 38.65. Only thing is we were in this area here where you could still, the next candle could have just popped down. I'm more comfortable with this because we have had a high, created a low, broken structure there, so this gives me a little bit more confidence in the position. It also shows me that there's willingness to trade away from this 200 EMA. No, German 30. Hi. Yeah, if I can give you one tip, Chad, if I can give you guys one tip today. Okay, I'm gonna have to change the music. YouTube is like, you guys are playing too many copyrighted songs here. If I can give you one tip, let's see if we can. I'm gonna give you one simple tip. If it's trading above the 200 EMA, stick to buys. If it's trading below, stick to sells. That's gonna filter out already a lot of your trades where you try and counter trend. You're gonna get less trades, you're gonna be in the market less, but the 200 EMA, there's a reason why institutions value it. There's a reason why institutions integrate it into their algorithms. The 200 EMA on the weekly, the daily, any time frame you go look at, it's valuable. Any time frame, Dwayne. But personally for me, for intraday sessions, the 5-minute is what I use. So while it's above the 200, I'm only going to look for buys. While it's below, I'm only going to look for sells. That's as simple as it gets. Go check some of your losses, and I can almost guarantee you a lot of your losses came from you selling above the 200 and buying below the 200. As simple as it can get. That's already going to filter out 50% of your trades, because you stick with the buys.
Run, gold.
Oh, gold can do us some justice here this morning. Mayday, mayday, it's final payday. Evade Tech, final TP. Yeah, you can go for that, brother, but how consolidative we've been, I'm more than happy to take my 52 and run. That puts me on break even for the day or for the morning, so that just puts a bullet back in my chamber for later this afternoon. So yeah, I'm not gonna, maybe no, not even defensive, it's just locking it in. I'm back full-time, Chad. I'm here for you all.
You take sales bonang. You mean on NASDAQ? Yeah. On NASDAQ, definitely I'm selling, bro. I will sell with my eyes closed. If we hit that price there, I will sell this thing. Just there. Smoothness all the way. There. Boom. To the down. You know where we'll be going? We are likely going to come to this zone. Remember, Rooks, this is what I always say. Structure broken, owing to be what? Retested. So, the sale will be nice. There's no any other price that is owing here. I've checked, man. There's nothing. That's an all-time high.
High gold. That's a break even. Chad, if you see me and Keegan in business class tomorrow morning, we didn't pay for business class. This is maybe a little testimony. Last night when I went to check us in, I saw there's only 6 business class seats, and I could select the 4 of them, and it checked me into business class. So yeah, is that maybe favor, my brother?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Smoothness all the way.
Checking in.
Enjoy yourself.
Longer than 24 hours before the time, and then checking into the only 4 business class seats.
Nice.
So I don't think
it's a W.
So I don't think we paid for for business class.
It's impossible. They paid for it, guys.
We did it, Chad. We did it. I promise you. So I told my wife last night, I'm like, hey, we got a nice little luck here. She's like, no, but don't think it's gonna work. You're gonna get there. I'm like, no. I will fight them.
This USDT has failed. Now, let's see. Still here. From 8, 9, 10. Hey. 3 hours of sitting in one place, guys.
Because I usually either try to sit as close to the front of the plane or the back of the plane so that you can get off first.
And that's me for you also. I do that. I don't
So when I saw right in front was open, I was like, yo,
I'm going in. And where are you headed?
Josie,
Oh,
you're going to... What is the resort's name? Let's quickly check Southie.
fake it until you make it.
You might see Keeks there tomorrow on the plane, like, Chad, this is what training does for you. You can see we're sitting right in front in the plane. Look at all those plebs there at the back in economy. How's economy there at the back? You guys fine? All right. Aerostess, just close these curtains. I don't want to see those plebs there at the back. Close those curtains. I want my privacy. Where's my steel cutlery? I want to eat.
Listen to what this guy is saying. I just made another $70 just chilling with you guys, casually listening to you guys think out loud. Yesterday, 5K ZAR was my best day even, and I was simply shadowing you guys. Enjoy yourself, my brother. There's nothing else we can say. Just enjoy yourself. You can just as well do justice. Take the stream link, put it on your WhatsApp status. If you have got a community, put it there on the group and tell them that, guys, this is the way we are enjoying ourselves. Come here. We want to see the community of traders growing. That's basically what we are here for as 2Gs. Let's grow together.
Chad, but I'm gonna walk into the plane and be like, hey, why am I sitting in front here? Why can my legs extend like
Why am I so free?
why?
Why am I so free?
Then I'm gonna go like, hey everybody, how's it there in the back? You guys good? Get those guys some shots there at the back.
Hey.
Then it's like I've got a view of the pilot as well.
It's
So-
not easy to be an economy guy. I'm going to Saba this weekend.
Yo.
Business all the way, guys. Smoothness.
It's a 1.5 hour flight, Jakes.
Oh, Bonang, how did that dummy gold play out? Let's check it out, bro. running smooth there. We are targeting 39.20. It's quite a very good entry. Good flip in, then run. You will thank me later. Bye bye. Yeah, I'm selling the indicator that is written key zone buy TP. Yeah, this indicator is available. Somebody was busy asking me, where is that system? Give me that system. Yes. It comes with trading view as a bonus.
I'm praying now for the December flights to Malaysia. I get there and they're like, sir, you know what? We messed up your booking. You and your family. We've got these 4 business class seats for you guys.
Bonang 2 verse 2. Go out and make traders from all the nations. Let's do business until Jesus Christ comes.
Brian, the thing is, I looked at business class and it's 400k for 4 people in business class to KL is, I'm not there yet. 400k is
Going where?
To Malaysia in December.
400k.
Now, if you want to fly business, it's 400,000.
Sure, guys.
That's
Too much money.
So we economy.
We need a 100.0 there.
I'm gonna sit stiff there. I'm not gonna post photos on the plane. It's like, yo, Chad, it's a bit tight here. Sitting here.
Think about it. If you are paying 400k for ticket, transport when you get there.
Yeah, because we flying. Okay, so we're flying from here, Joburg. Then we're staying the night because we fly out early in the morning. So it's the hotel expense there. Then we fly from Joburg to Dubai. Dubai is a quick layover, I think 2 hours. Then from Dubai to KL. Then we're gonna spend two days in KL, just to get some of the jet lag off. Then we're gonna fly to one of the islands. I think it's either Langkawi or there's another one. Then we're gonna spend New Year's there. Then we're gonna come back to KL, and then we're gonna do Singapore a little bit, and then in and around there. So 400k just to get there. Can't do it.
Let's open more positions. No problem.
No, we'll get there. Yeah. But for now, Chad, I'll cry. 400k. Yeah. You know what? Years ago when I flew to Spain, I don't know why I didn't do it. So just before you board the flight, you can ask them if there's still upgrades available. Then you pay in, but you pay a much cheaper rate. And on the one flight, I think it was only like $1,000 to upgrade the flight. And then on the other one, from Barcelona back to Doha was something ridiculous. I think it was like $3,500. But from Doha to Barcelona from Doha back to SA was $900. And I thought like, almost home. I really got wrecked on this trip financially. So
how about premium? Somebody says, how about premium economy?
It's not available on this flight. I've seen it, but it's not yet available. Ruan, it's tough to say your sample size because the issue I've got with backtesting is the following. Not an issue that I've got with backtesting. Backtesting is fine. I think that is us. Let me just see. Did our TP get brutalized here? I believe. Oh, not yet. I'm just gonna go break. It's literally sitting there. Just gonna go break even so long. It's sitting on my TP. The spread is literally. I want a green screen there. Okay, chat W's beautiful. Beautiful. At least the break even morning. So cannot really celebrate. Like I said, for the greedy guys, that is your greedy target. But I'm happy to just have a break even morning. Gives me a bullet for later this afternoon. The issue I've got with backtesting is the following. Markets move in different cycles, and there's different factors affecting the market. So, for instance, you backtesting, let's say even 3 years back, you could be backtesting a time where ranges were a lot smaller, volatility was a lot less, and markets were, let's say, maybe in a stable trend. Okay, so now it's like, oh wow, the strat works, but there's more factors involved there. It's maybe just a very nice, strong trending market, price action was good. So I always say I wouldn't backtest more than 6 months, because the last 2 quarters would give you a good idea of where you are. So you cannot base too much how can I say, influence on a backtest that was done of like 3 years ago, because 3 years ago there were a lot of different fundamental and monetary issues in the market. So I would say do the backtesting to give yourself a base idea of what it is that you want to do with your strategy, and then start forward testing and give yourself room to make mistakes. Don't try and make your stops too tight. Maybe start with your stops wider, and then with your forward testing you would see, okay, the trades that won, the drawdown was never more than $3, for instance, on gold. So give it some safety margin. I can make my stops $4, for instance. And then you start forward testing like that. That is my opinion. I don't know what you think, Punang, because markets go through different cycles and change.
This is why they should rely on. That's where now advice comes in. You shouldn't give you advice, but this is why myself personally I prefer prop firm, because in those circumstances or scenarios of wide stop losses, it means capital, because you can't have a wide stop loss if you don't have enough money. Yeah. So for a wide stop loss you need capital, and that capital can only be availed by what? A prop firm. So basically that's it's a good idea for wide stop losses, but wide stop losses means capital, enough capital to sustain that, and also as you flip to your direction, you are able to add more trades, you see. But you eventually get it, guys. You eventually get it. It's never too late, as long as you are within the stream on daily basis and you are seeing what the G's are doing. I hope that God will shine the light in your brain. You will see what you need to understand and learn.
Chad, but I think we're going to call it. US 30 has been in this range. I still like the long idea with Ponang. Daily flip area, point of control there. As long as we hold above that zone, I think we're good. Like I said, ideally, what I would love to see is US 30 coming here and then run. Just give a nice little pullback, fake out some of the sellers, get them excited, and then boom, to the upside. But definitely bullish for me. NASDAQ, NAS is bullish. We're going to have to wait for that previous daily high. Dollar, as I mentioned this morning, there's your daily flip area. There was your 200 EMA. Nice rejection. Then this was that daily zone. We said if we start trading below it, we can go bearish. Gold, unfortunately, no follow through here this morning. There, likely quartered here. Could run here. could very well run here after this consolidation. Could see a massive move here, because remember I said the very, very greedy target is up there. But for me, more than happy with that little 1-to-1. You guys manage your trades as you see fit. German 30, unlucky as well. Right idea, right direction. Again, move only coming around about 10 o'clock. I don't know, Bruno. What is the story behind 10 o'clock? Because I know you always say 10 o'clock. Something's going to happen.
10 o'clock is more like a volume call. Once we click 10, we want to see proper movement towards our direction.
There you saw a chat at 10. Boom. Might even start trade. DAX. Wait, let me just see what time. Frankfurt. Let's see what the time is. Oh no, so they're exactly the same time as us, GMT +2. Alrighty. Bonang, any closing remarks there from you, my brother? I see US 30 starting to look smooth there.
Yeah, but I'm not really happy with this trade, honestly, because it's taking a lot of time before it reaches our key zone. But it's fine. I will be patient. I'm still also praying for more patience at this point. I'm hoping that we can flip all the way up and then we break and start to rally towards the all-time highs and see how that goes. But at least if we can hit that key zone then at a later stage, maybe drop during New York session, no problem. We can drop during New York session. After dropping, then we can flip all the way up. Or this can be counted as a drop and then flip all the way up. That should be okay, as long as it has fulfilled our TP for the day, no stress. So that's me. I'm still holding this US 30. It will eventually go there. And then NASDAQ, nothing much to say, but I'm going to be looking for sales as soon as we reach this price. I want to see how the H1 Kengli or price does there. What I want to do see is price at least faking out a little bit, that small. So anyway, whatever it does here, I can enter anyway. That will be my selling zone, anywhere above that TP zone, or just exactly at that TP zone, because there's likelihood of us melting from there all the way back into this CV there. So the more the price goes against, upward, no problem. I would love it. So that New York session, it gives me a chance to enter a sell. Basically, that's what I'll be looking for. There's no buy for me further beyond this, because there's no any new price that is there. Even New York session cannot push this price beyond 24,921. The only thing that this market must do is to decline.
Down,
yeah, it is to
give
decline.
us those buys.
Yeah.
Test previous daily high and
Yes.
then we buy.
Yeah, that's the thing. So basically, that's the aim. Thank you so much, Chris. The good Lord bless you, sir.
Thank you so much, Bonang. You won't be seeing myself and Kigo tomorrow, but you will be seeing Bonang in the morning session. Bonang, always a pleasure. Good to be back. Chat, thank you so much for joining. A little bit of a upside down morning here. Luckily, it brought it back here at the end. But you'll have myself and Kigo later this afternoon guiding you guys through NYSE. Really appreciate all of you guys. Peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Cheers. Peace.
I gotta hold my legacy, and I don't wanna die young. I know it's not my destiny. So I'm looking through my memories, falling into jealousy. How can I miss you? Really just my enemy. Breaking apart, but I gotta hold my legacy, and I don't wanna die young. I know that's not my destiny. So I'm looking through my memories, falling into jealousy. How can I miss you? Really just my enemy. Breaking apart, but I gotta hold my legacy, and I don't wanna die young. I know that's not my destiny. Yo, I'm searching for my destiny, tripping for a better me. I don't wanna break your heart, so you better leave. It's not that I don't love you, I'm just losing myself mentally. And yeah, I'd rather scream than use you as my remedy. I'm scared to open up, I'm scared to really feel, afraid of my own mind. I don't know if I will heal. I wish that you were real. I wish you sat there when I woke up, and my high is my sobriety. I I wish someone would save us. I know it's not my destiny to die without a legacy. I guess I am my enemy. Yeah, why'd I look through memories? So I'm looking through my memories, falling into jealousy. How can I miss you? Really just my enemy. Breaking apart, but I gotta hold my legacy. And I don't wanna die young, I know that's not my destiny. So I'm looking through my memories, falling into jealousy. How can I miss you? Really just my enemy. Breaking apart, but I gotta hold my legacy. And I don't wanna die young, I know that's not my destiny. So I'm looking through my memories, falling into jealousy. How can I miss you? Really just my enemy. Breaking apart, but I gotta hold my legacy. And I don't wanna die young, I know it's not my destiny.
On my face, Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, boy, beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful. Sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day.